Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is cut Mirchi Bajji. Cut Mirchi Bajji is a popular street food snack hailing from India. The contrast between the hot chili and the savory creates a culinary adventure for those who crave heat and flavor. Whether served as an appetizer or a snack, cut Mirchi Bajji is an explosion of taste that adds a spicy kick to any food adventure. Let's start the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of dry coconut powder, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala and salt as per your taste. Grind into powder. Here I am using 15 bajji mirchis. Slit the mirchis as shown in the video. You can remove the seeds in the mirchi. Here I am not removing seeds. Take 1½ cup of besan. Add salt as per your taste and 1 pinch of baking soda. You can add 1 tablespoon of ajwain. Add water gradually and mix well. It is the perfect consistency you can see in the video. Make sure there should not be any lumps in the batter. Prepare bajjis as shown in the video. Deep fry them on medium heat in hot oil. Deep fry them until it's 70% fried. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. More snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Now cut the bajjis as shown in the video. Again deep fry them on medium heat in hot oil until they turn crispy. Add remaining bajjis and repeat the process. Transfer cut Mirchi Bajji to the plate. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of grinded masala powder. Add chopped onions, coriander, add the lemon juice extracted from 1 lemon. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Very tasty cut mirchi bajji is ready. Serve hot. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.